Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so Glow Recipe has a new product and it is coming to BoxyCharm. And we'll look at it in just a minute. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. The November spoilers for Yes Oh Yes. Congratulations, Denise Gonzalez. Denise says, feel better soon, love. Thanks for the update. Love and hugs always. Well, thank you so much, Denise. That really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and dive in. First of all, I found this on Joe's Instagram story where he was showing this product, this new product by Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And of course, I found at BoxyCharm sneak peek that it is coming to BoxyCharm. Now, again, this has not been confirmed by Joe. I mean, kind of, sort of, you know what I mean. But we're still waiting on confirmation, but this could be in a future BoxyCharm box. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you'll be on top of all the spoilers. You'll know it all. And that's all I got for you today, guys. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.